sometimes some people notice that your headlight's out. And people are like, okay, it's my light bulb. Sometimes it's not your light bulb. Sometimes it's your wiring harness burnt out. So, let me show you. Here, this is all burnt out. See over there? Oh, bad. It's all black. Once I take it off, you can definitely tell it's all burnt out. As you can see, this is all burnt out, and that's the whole problem with the wiring harness. They sell these wiring harnesses separately, so you can either solder them or butt connect it. The best way is to solder it, but the easier way is to do it with the male and female. Now, you either take pictures of this with your cell phone, or you draw it on paper like this. How I did it. Personally, that's how I like to do it. I'm gonna cut these wires and then I splice them with a special tool. This is the butt connector like I was telling you before, and you use a vice grip to squeeze it when you have it on this wire right here. It has a little stopper, and then you do one cent at a time. A little bit more. And there you go. Your butt connector's on. You can either check the picture you took or your diagram that you drew. I drew a diagram. The old plug is on the bottom, the new one's on the top. Green is on the top, and use blue. Blue to green. Both on top. So, green to blue. You hold it. Let's loosen this a little bit tighter. It's not tight enough. See how flat that is? It's definitely holding on. Now, let's look at our diagram again. Red is on the left, and the old one is yellow. Yellow to red. So, red to yellow. Okay. Let's hold it on the edge. Perfect. Now, okay. In black to black. Perfect. Now you got your plug on. Now, plug it into your headlight. Now, we're going to plug this in and see if it works. All this is all spliced in. See if it works. Ah, see? It wasn't a light bulb after all. It was just a little plug burnt out. See? I hope that I helped you guys. See you next time.